Hi, I'm Katie and I work on the UK Seed Sovereignty Programme, and I was just going to give you 3 top tips for producing and selling seed. So the first one is diversity. So there's like hundreds of different Welsh varieties of vegetables and grains which basically aren't being grown anymore. So if you can find some of these interesting Welsh varieties, I think there's a real market for them and there's some really interesting crops out there. The second one is about cross-pollination. So a lot of vegetables cross-pollinate. So you just need to kind of be aware of what your neighbouring farmers are growing and whether your crop is going to cross-pollinate with their crop, because if it does, you're not going to get the variety that you think you're going to get. So just be aware of that. And tip number 3 is about quality. So there's no good just kind of saying, oh, my lettuce just flowered and I'll save seed from that. You need to be saving seed from the best quality crops. So you want to look at your whole lettuce crop and look at the one that flowers the latest and is the tastiest and is the healthiest, and you want to save seed from that. But yeah, I think there's loads of opportunity to sell seed in Wales.